एक
Leader of the
तो
opposition, please.
एक तो मैं उनका हमेशा रेस्पेक्ट करता हूं, लेकिन उन्होंने कि एक अभी जो अडल्ट नहीं हुआ, नाबालिग ऐसा क्या कुछ आपने हिंदी में, हाँ, अरे चुप बैठो, क्या पुकार, तो ऐसी बातें बोलना ये खंडनीय है। और दूसरी चीज, अरे हमारे पार्टी में क्या
At the
करना
same
चाहिए,
time, you have to condemn the slogans of the other side also, sir.
सर,
When you are speaking, all your people are coming
Sir,
towards you. This is the correct.
नो
When
that's
you
why, sir.
I deny the chance for you to speak, then everybody is rising. I can understand.
No.
When I called you to speak, all the people are coming in.
No, they are not coming. They are very silent. I like them.
You like them, but you like them at their seat, not nearing to you.
Sir, I like them.
Yeah, I too like them. But
I
let
like
them be
them.
seated in their
But I
seat.
dislike them. So,
You dislike them, what I can do? I am not asking you to like them.
but
If you
Sir,
dislike them, they will also
okay,
dislike you.
sir, I agree. लेकिन मुझे आप जो पाठ पढ़ा रहे हैं कि लोकसभा में जो होता है यहाँ पर उठाना उचित नहीं है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में 4-4 दिन पार्लियामेंट अगर अपोजिशन लीडर को बोलने के लिए नहीं देता है और वहाँ पर जो मुद्दे उठाए जाते हैं यहाँ पर वो उसकी चर्चा होती है, आप इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हैं। लोकसभा राज्यसभा ये मिल के सरकार बनाती है, ये मिल के रहते हैं, लेकिन वी आर हाउस ऑफ एल्डर सर, एंड हाउस ऑफ एल्डर के आप चेयरमैन हो। आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि यू आर चेयरमैन ऑफ द एल्डर्स एंड जो मैं उनको ये कहना चाहता हूँ, बार बार मत टोको कि तुम्हारी पार्टी ये है वो है। अरे आपकी पार्टी तो ऐसी है किसको बोलने का ही नहीं, आपको तो मोदी जी ने बंधक कर दिया है और आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं आप कोई उनके राय के बिना बात नहीं कर सकते। आप कोई जो बोलना है बंधक मीन्स बाउंडेड लेबर, सर बाउंडेड लेबर वो उधर बने तो ये लोग तो कभी
No. This bonded labor will not go on record. This is not correct. You cannot call the honorable members as bonded labor.
No.
That I will not agree. I will not. Please,
Sir,
I will not agree.
There is an act, so Bounded Labor Act.
Yeah, that
so
is there.
In BJP,
That is there. But you cannot call the honorable members as bonded laborers. That is not correct.
not, sir, I am not calling.
Please.
Okay, sir,
Please.
हमारे को एक तो आप ये लोग जो अपोजिशन पार्टी के नेता को बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं और दूसरी चीज हम
1 minute. I will call honorable minister of parliamentary affairs.
I will complete, sir.
Okay, you complete 1
I
minute.
will complete. अरे रिजू जी आप बैठिए, हम कंप्लीट कर दे भाई, उसके बाद आप बोलिए, आपको तो टाइम बहुत मिलता है। सर मेरा कहना इतना ही है कि यू कांट क्रिटिसाइज अस, आवर पार्टी में क्या चला, हमारे पार्टी क्या आपके जैसा ये अपना लिंचिंग करती है, क्या आपके जैसा किसी को गालियां देती है, आपके जैसा कोई रेप करता है तो उसको समर्थन करता है, आपके जैसा अत्याचार करता है।
Anything unparliamentary will not go on records, please.
No unparliamentary.
Will not go on records.
No
Anything wrong against the norms, rules will not go on record.
Sir,
I am not saying anything. I am just saying if anything is wrong against the rules, norms of the parliament, then it will not be there. It will not go there. Please take your seat.
Sir,
You complete, I can ask the reply from.
my only question
You
is that
are disturbing the matters raised with permission. You are disturbing the individual matters rights.
I am not disturbing, sir. I am just pleading before you that how these people are crushing the democracy and how these people are not allowing the opposition leader. If that is the fate, elected members, what about the nominated members? Persons who got indirectly elected and nominated. So, इनकी हालत क्या होगी? तो चाइना के बारे में बोलना, you don't agree.
Let me make my. I will quote the earlier proceedings. I will quote the earlier proceedings. 1 minute. You please take your seat. Debates in Lok Sabha, members should not make any critical reference about the debates in Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister, Sriman Jawaharlal Nehru ji, has suggested that it should not be made a practice in the Council to refer to the debates in Lok Sabha, and that even though it might be justified technically, it was a bad practice. Lok Sabha discussing the Council and the Council discussing the Lok Sabha, leading to trouble between the two houses. I would ask you not to refer to the House. The reference that you have made to the other House will be expunged from the proceedings. This is the ruling of the chairman of that time.
Yes. No. Sir, I agree.
Why you are getting, Jairamji, why you are getting so agitated? You are getting so much of time than the treasury benches. I am giving you a lot of time, but even then you are getting agitated. I don't understand. If you want to put anything in your speech, you put. You ask your leader of the opposition to sit and you can speak.
Sir.
But you don't want. Now, then letting him speak. Why you are interfering?
Sir, देखिए, हम आपको टारगेट करके नहीं बोल रहे हैं. हमारे टारगेट उधर है और ये लोग लोकतंत्र को कुचलने का काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बात कर रहे हैं.
So, और save democracy, opposition should put their opinion, their thoughts, everything in the House. At the same time, treasury benches is also having their own right to defy your thinking. They have a right to answer to your questions. They have a right to answer to your opinions. They have every right to express their own opinions also.
Nehru ji, most democratic man. Not these people. These people are only criticizing Nehru ji. Indira Gandhi, they are misusing their power. They are misusing their authority.
In this house that has not happened. Even the president's address, Nehru ji has been praised. You might have noticed it.